everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Makeup Simplified. In this video today, I'm going to talk about 10 must-have products for this Diwali season. These range from skincare products to primers and lipsticks and whatnot. Let's hop into this list right away. So the number one on my list is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. But with the Sephora holiday sale starting now, you're going to save a lot of money on this product and you should totally invest in it. These are AHA BHA wipes which help to reduce fine lines, pores, dullness, uneven texture. I like to use it before makeup base to create a smooth canvas for my other products to go on. However, definitely include a sunscreen since it can make your skin sensitive to the sun. You start with the first product, which is the Exfoliate and Smooth. After wiping your skin off with it, you wait for 2 minutes and then use the anti-aging neutralizer. My second product recommendation is Becca Backlight Priming Filter Face Primer. It helps to blur textured skin and creates an ethereal glow. Again, it creates a smooth canvas for the rest of your makeup. But if you have oily skin, I will highly recommend this Benefit Cosmetics The Professional Face Primer. It's oil-free and helps to mattify the skin. Actually, my husband loves this product because he has oily skin and this helps to just smooth out his skin texture so much. It's perfect for anyone who gets oily, greasy skin and that causes the makeup to disintegrate. Next is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Insta Brow Set. Now, in this set, you get 2 products. It has the brow definer and the clear brow gel, which is perfect to keep in your travel case. The clear gel helps to keep your brows in tip-top shape with a firm hold that lasts throughout the day and gives it a natural look. I have a few highlighters that are worth mentioning and you can totally invest in them for this Diwali. The first one is the Becca Powder Pressed Highlighter in Champagne Pop. It's creamy and melts onto your skin. It doesn't feel chalky at all and I've used it with liquid products as well. My another highlighter recommendation is the Benefit Cosmetics Cookie Highlight. With its signature box and a built-in mirror as well as a brush, it's perfect for Indian skin tones. It will look so stunning this Diwali with any Indian outfit. It has a soft gold shimmer and is very silky to touch. Next is the eyeliner. It is the Tarte's Double Take Eyeliner. Now this is like 2 products in one. It's got liquid eyeliner on one side and the gel eyeliner on the other. And you must have seen me talking about this eyeliner so many times on Instagram. This is my absolute favorite eyeliner. It is the deepest, most pigmented black eyeliner I've ever used. And because it is dual-ended, it's even better since you have 2 products in one. It's opaque and has a semi-matte finish. Talk about a multitasking product. When it comes to kajal, the most essential makeup product in any Indian girl's makeup kit, there is no other product than the KBeauty Gel Eyeliner, and the shade in Onyx is absolute stunner. Its deep black, intensely pigmented color gives you crisp black lines or a sultry, smoky, smudged eyes. Next is my favorite lipstick brand, the Sephora Collection Liquid Lip Stain, and this shade in Red Velvet is mwah! Do watch my YouTube video for lip swatches for the Sephora Lip Collection and you will see how much I love them. They have a stunning range of colors, but the Red Velvet is the one red shade that every girl must have in their purse. It's high coverage, long-lasting, creamy, and lightweight. You might want to exfoliate your lips though and hydrate them with lip balm before applying this lip stain, or for any lipstick for that matter. Now that we are done with makeup recommendations, we also have to think of taking your makeup off effectively. You know, during Diwali season, you're going to be putting makeup every day and you're going to have a lot of eye makeup, lip makeup, but you have to make sure that before sleeping, you take it all off so you can wake up with beautiful skin the next morning. Make sure to watch my recent video for facial massage that you can actually do every night during all these days of Diwali and also in the future, so you wake up with baby soft skin. So my next product recommendation is Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This gentle but effective cleanser is going to melt that makeup off your face at the end of the day and get rid of even the slightest amount of eyeliner or mascara, even your waterproof products. Look at how creamy it is, and every single time I buy this during the sale. Even the most blackest black eyeliner is wiped off in the most gentle way without tugging your skin. I like to use a wet washcloth after to get rid of the balm and makeup. My next recommendation is my facial cleanser, the Face Wash by You to the People. It has kale, spinach, and green tea. All these ingredients are extremely beneficial to your skin. It comes in a nice gel formulation, so it's suitable for normal, dry combination and oily skin type. The kale in this contains vitamin C, E, and K, which helps to create that glowy face. The spinach helps with cooling properties, and the green tea has antioxidant benefits, which helps to fight signs of aging, pores, fine lines. My final recommendation is the Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask. It's deeply cleansing and it helps to clear pores of any dirt, grime. The only thing is, if you have dry skin, I would recommend to follow this with a deeply moisturizing facial mask. The lactic acid in it also helps to clear pores and also creates an even texture on your skin. Follow this with your usual serum and moisturizer before heading to bed. I hope you like all my product recommendations for the upcoming Sephora sale and also for Diwali. Follow me on Instagram at Makeup Simplified and subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and do comment what all products you ended up buying. Tag me with #makeoverbycash. Have a happy Diwali. Bye!